So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to show you guys how we can create a collections in a Shopify. So in a Shopify we can create the two types of collection, like one is manual and second one is automate. So let's check both of the ways, like how we can create the collections accordingly. As soon as you land on the Shopify's dashboard, when you see on the left side, click on the collection, and after that click on the create collection. So it will give you one UI to add a title, description, and the collection type. So here is the main picture. So manual, like we need to create a collection and then we need to add the products to that collection manually. And automated in the sense, we need to give some of the conditions and product will be automatically get added into the collection. So let's create the manual collection first. So I will be create title one collection for the shirts by adding the title as a shirt, and this is manual collection, and I will select the collection type as a manual. And yeah, that's pretty simple, and you need to click on the save. So it will just create a collection, it will not add any of the product to it. You need to add the product to this collection manually. So you need to click on the browse and then search for the respected product that you want to add into that collection. And as soon as you add, you can view the collection, and that collection will have that product which we have added. So this is a manual collection, and this shirt also we have added it manually. So let's check how we can create a automated collection. So let's go by there, like create a collection, and now we will create a collection for boho, and we'll add a description for you guys, like this is automated collection. And in a collection type we will select automated collection. So here are the conditions that we need to select among one of them, like product title, type, category, or vendor. Here now I'm selecting as a product title. So if product title contains boho, then automatically add the product to it. So I will just save this, and after the save you will see the product title which have boho in it has been added automatically to this collection. And once you view that collection, you will see the boho collection is live. So this is a pretty straightforward. You can select any of the condition, like you can add another condition as well. If the product category is equal to business, then add the products to this. You can select these conditions as well. So if your product have these categories or these tags or these types, that products will be get automatically added into this collection. So that's it about how we can create a manual and automated collection. If you guys have still any doubt in your mind about the collection, let me know in the comments and I will be helping you out over there. Thank you.